Hi guys, RIB here. It's just between, it's Boxing Day today, early morning here in Bali and Canggu, here at Tropical Nomad. No one's here, this is a great time to do this. So look, just want to reach out to you who's watching this. Trust you had a great Christmas, and it's been a great time for family or time for friends if we don't have family, orphans Christmas and all of that good stuff. And New Year's Eve's coming up, and we've got some things planned for that, which will be great. At Tomorrow Gallery for families, called the Amazing Race for Kids. So if you've got kids, Tomorrow Gallery, New Year's Eve, the Amazing Race for Kids will be amazing between 4 and 6 p.m. But look, today I just want to just reach out to you guys and just see what you're doing, see what you're up to, keeping in mind that we have 2020, the end of it coming up. I'm sure it's been an incredible year for so many different reasons. It's been a phenomenal year for so many different reasons. It's been a tough year for so many different reasons, but challenge, leads to greatness, right? Challenge leads to greatness. If you can find that within you, if you can muster the strength, and surround yourself with some amazing people. I mean, this year I've met some incredible people here in Bali, really. Amazing, the guys from Seeds, Itchy, the guys from Tropical Nomad, the Tomorrow Gallery, the Tomorrow Square, the Tomorrow Group. We've been working together for a long time, but some more amazing people have come out of that. Booked, Mark Reed, Gil Petersil, there's so many, Rhonda, of course, George, the SpeakuP Monday, right? The SpeakuP Mondays that we've been doing, we're on to number 87 now. This has been amazing. Obviously the Chris Robs, my beautiful partner, Marina, our kids, there's been so many great things which have happened in 2020. And I'm so proud of what we've been able to do, what I've been able to do. And, I'll look back at 2020 with a smile, right? Even though I know it's been a very tough year, it's been a very challenging year, a year that has definitely caused me to pivot in many, many ways. There's things which I've got to trust, I've got to pay back, let's put it that way. So it's been pivoting to make that happen, and we're on our way. So look, as we come to 2021, what is it that you're going to do differently in 2021? Because as you know, if you don't do anything differently, you're going to have the same year as you've done this year, if not worse. So what is it you're going to do differently? How are you going to challenge yourself differently? What are you going to learn this year? What steps are you going to put in place to ensure that you are as successful in all areas of your life as possible, right? What does that look like for you right now? Most of you probably watching this have probably done this already, all right? Some of you maybe haven't. For those of you who haven't, now's a really great time in between Christmas and New Year's Eve to have some time to really think about 2021. What is it that you want to achieve? What is it that you want to do? Who is it you want to become? Who is it you want to be surrounded by? Right, as you know, I set a massive intention in 2020, to positively impact the lives of 1 billion people, right, by or in the next 50 years, which I believe I'll do a lot sooner than that. And I've been meeting some amazing people because I've set that intention, and just met some incredible projects, right, as a direct result of asking myself a really quality question. So, if there is a question that you could ask yourself, which is quality, because remember, if you ask yourself a quality question, then you're going to have a quality answer. If you ask yourself a crap question, then the answer is also going to follow along the same line. So what kind of question is a quality question for you, which will give you an answer that will uplift, create an incredible life for you in 2021 and onwards, right? 2021 and onwards. On that token, Turn Your Story Into a Book has been a phenomenal success as well, right? And that's where I work with, building up a bit of a team now, and we work with change makers, right? People who are up to something powerful in the world, and we help to turn their story into a book, right, which is part of their brand. So there's a larger branding experience there, which goes all the way through to, some of the top tier 1, tier 2 covers, magazines, publications, YouTubes. What else have we got going on with that? Podcasts, some of the top 21 podcasts in the world, access to all of those. So that's been amazing, right? So what is it that you've created in 2020 that you can make even better in 2021, right? So drawing this one to a close, don't want to be going on for too long with this one. I just want to wish you, your family, your spouse, the people that you care for, your loved ones, right? A really powerful New Year's Eve, 2021 in general, and trust that you're putting all the things in place. You're surrounding yourself with the people, right? The people that allow you, who see you, right? The people who see you, who know where to push you, right? When you're being lazy, right? Who know when to inspire you when you need it, and know when to keep you accountable when you need it as well, right? So these are the sorts of people that you want to surround yourself with, who can allow you to ensure that 2021 is going to be the best year yet. The best year yet. Lots of love, guys. Have an awesome period of time in between Christmas and New Year's Eve. And please make the most of it to ensure that 2021 and beyond for you and the rest of your family is going to be awesome. All right, guys. Lots of love from me. I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.